Hi everyone, I'm Genesis from the Genesis Way, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Spiritú box. It's my first ever box subscription and I'm very excited. I've been seeing them for a while and this is the first time I get to do one. So I actually got it for free. They had a limited edition code that you can get the first box for free, so that's pretty awesome. So I'm really excited about that. I love the name Spiritú. Okay, so they have this little pamphlet. It's got a Spiritú, and it has like everything that is inside the box. I don't want to see it yet because I haven't seen anything on the box, so I want to be surprised. But later on, when I'm done, I'll go right into it and I'll go and see what's what it says here. There's a little card that says "Welcome to Spiritú," designed by Mexican artist Tania Peregrino. This box has over 150 of beauty and lifestyle goodies from some of our favorite brands. Like you have these like postcards from the products that are inside, so I'm just gonna open it and see what we have here. Ooh, so we have the Get Stronger and Get That Booty. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is pretty cool. So this is something that you use for like exercise. It says hashtag Get That Booty. This is the first time I've ever seen something like this. So I think it's something pretty cool, and I guess if you want to get that booty, you can use this. That's awesome. Ooh, so we have, oh, this is so pretty. So I guess this is this is a bracelet. Oh, I love bracelets. And it says Colombia. Oh, this is really cute. Look at this. So freaking cute. Or manillas, as they are commonly named there, are one of the local favorites worn both around the country and abroad. The weaving technique carries the ancestral influences of tribes like the Wayuu. They come in a variety of beautiful styles and colors. Ooh, okay. So we have a hairspray. It says it's invisible hold, neutral finish. This is really nice, and it's the full bottle, so it's not like a travel size. I think that it's awesome. Ooh, I love this, and actually I've been looking for one because mine broke. So this is a pop socket for your phone, and it actually has the T and U, the two means you. This is pretty cool, and this is really cute design. Okay, so Bobbi Brown. It's looks lip color. I love me some good lipsticks. This one, it's right here. It's really cute, and then so here is so it's the Bobbi Brown Lux lip color in red velvet. This is really freaking cute. Okay, I believe it's a serum. It's a detox plus age defying. And it says here it's for all types of skin, which I love because my skin is pretty dry, and I've been trying to find like stuff for my skin, and also very sensitive. So I have a lot of trouble with products for my face. So this looks pretty good. The Seaweed Bath and Corporation. So I see here they also have some bar soap and a moisturizing liquid hand soap, which I absolutely love. It's called Earth Blends, but it's from Soft Soap, and here it is. It has two bar soaps, and it has a full size moisturizing liquid hand soap. I think this is awesome. This is pretty awesome. I think this is pretty amazing. I'm gonna show you. So it's a Michael Kors sparkling blush. It's a perfume. So this is the bottle, which is again like a pretty good size, a really good size too. I mean, oh, I'm in love with everything. So it's $39.99, but they tell you here, like in the pamphlet, the little pamphlet, how much each product costs. So the first one is the Michael Kors sparkling, and it costs $68. So basically you pay for this for the box, and you know you got this at a very good price. It's $68, The Bobbi Brown Mini. Oh, this is a mini. Looks lip color. It's red velvet. It's $24. I got the Marine Serum, which is $24.99. Awesome. The Hairspray for Tresemme, it's $4.99. Awesome. The soap is $3.47. Sorry, $3.47. And the hand soap, it's $2.47, which is this one. The exercise band, which is the first thing that I got out, it's right here. It's $5. Spiritú Pop Socket grip, it's $10. And the handmade Colombian macrame bracelet, it's $10. So basically you got all these products. The total box value is $152.92. But if you want to order the box, it's only $39.99. I love the fact that they have different type of products, not only like beauty or hair or lifestyle. They have like a good variety, and they get you the chance to try the product, and they give you, most of them are full sizes product, which is give you a really good chance to actually try the product. So I think that's pretty cool. Honestly, if you are interested, go to their page, myspiritu.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Genesis Wade right down here, and give me a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. There's a lot of surprises coming up, so just keep on following me, and you'll know them. Thank you, and have a great time. Bye.